In today's video, I'm going to show you how to search in a Telegram bot in just a few simple steps. If you use Telegram bots a lot, this is a really helpful feature because it lets you quickly find messages, commands, links, or anything else inside the bot chat without scrolling endlessly. It saves time, keeps you organized, and makes it much easier to find exactly what you need. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Telegram on your phone or desktop and go into the bot chat where you want to search. Make sure you are inside the correct bot conversation before continuing, because the search will only look through that specific chat. Once you're in the bot chat, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap the magnifying glass icon. This is the search tool for the chat, and it allows you to search within that bot's conversation history. After tapping the icon, start typing the word, phrase, or keyword you want to find. You can search for a command, a message, a link, or even part of a sentence if you do not remember the full text. As you type, Telegram will begin showing matching results automatically. Now look at the left side of the screen where the results will appear. Telegram usually highlights the matches so you can quickly spot the one you want. If there are multiple results, you can scan through them and choose the most relevant one. When you find the result you're looking for, simply click on it, and Telegram will jump directly to that message or section in the bot chat. This makes it super easy to go straight to the exact point you need without wasting time. If you want to search for something else, just repeat the same process by tapping the magnifying glass again and entering a new keyword. And that's all it takes to search in a Telegram bot. It's fast, simple, and very useful when you need to find specific information quickly. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.